All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018 Ford Escape. It is the SE model, this beautiful bronze color with the gray cloth interior, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering controls, heated seats, roof racks, sunroof. Super awesome. Best of all, minimum damage around the body, only 7,000 miles on this vehicle. Your front bumper looks pretty good. Your bumper seems to be a little misaligned here to the grill. I don't know what's going on with that, but you guys have to figure that out. Your hood looks pretty good. Your fender looks okay. Here's your rear driver's, your front driver's rim. Tire tread is over 7/32. Let's have some scuffing on the molding here, as you can see. Boom. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty good. Some more scuffing on the molding here, and some there. And here's your rear driver's side rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire tread is over 7/32. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. Nice shot of your roof. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It is a powered seat. Let me jump into this vehicle. Pull out the key here. Boom. Does come with the one key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your AC controls right down below. You got your heated seats there, as you can see. You got your backup camera, pow, steering controls on this side, as well as this side. This is what your mileage looks like, 7,087 miles. Pretty much it. Place the tour from in here. Open up the trunk. The lights on, fog lights, keep it moving. It's a nice shot from the inside of your sunroof. Very nice. So, of course, the other side of the rear passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest and cup holders. Coming around. Rear bumper looks pretty good. It has some chips here, as you can see right there. This is what your rear cargo area looks like. Very nice. There is a spare tire here with some tools. I did put away your owner's manuals right back there. All right. Deck lid looks good. Rear quarter looks pretty good. Do have a heavy scratch here, about 3 to 4 inches. And another one here, 3 to 6 on the deck lid. We got some here, 3, 6 on the lid. 6 on the lid, 6 on the bumper. Another 3 or 4, and then another one there. Here's your quarter, looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Tire tread, over 7/32. This door looks pretty good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have rear AC vents. This door looks pretty good. Seems to have a little dent here, hard to see. PDR work about 1 inch. Here's the front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. I don't see any curbing. Tire tread over 7/32. That's right, 7/32. Lights are working. Hold on, let me see something. All right. Lights are on. Things are working, folks. What the hell? All right, ladies and gentlemen, once again, a 18 Ford Escape SE model with 7,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.